You're watching Choosy Delish Kitchen. Keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for always sticking around. I appreciate each and every one of you a lot. So in today's video, I'm going to be making grilled fish. So stick with me. Let's dive into this video. So these are my ingredients for this recipe. So I'll first of all wash and scrape the back of the fish. So the ingredients are celery, green onion, white onion, yellow pepper, red bell pepper. So I will be blending all these together. Keep watching. Scraping and washing the fish. So as you can see, the fish is sparkling clean. So I'll go ahead and dry the fish with towel, kitchen paper. Okay, so stick with me, don't go anywhere. So this is the blended ingredients that I showed you earlier. The bell peppers, the onion, the celery. So I added olive oil, salt, and some spices. So keep watching. So I'll go ahead and rub it around, and after that I will wrap the fish properly and I'll grill it for 15 minutes. Okay. After 15 minutes, ta-da! This is how the fish is. I made this fish not to be so dry. As you can see, a little water on it. So this is the best fish I have ever grilled this year. If I've watched to this point, thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. To my old subscribers, thank you always for sticking around, for watching my video. I appreciate each and every one of you a lot. So see you next time in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Ciao.